Hi, I'm Mia Lowry. Welcome back for the midweek update. Today let's continue with part 2 of the mission to the edge of space with the Ecot Science Club.
So the ECOTtv crew sent me an email, wanted me to be part of their science experiment.
So basically we're putting a weather balloon with cameras up into space.
Okay, so we wanted this thing to land in the east and in flatlands, but instead it started going south, and I mean way south.
Well, all we can do now is wait. So we're tracking the balloon with the GPS and we lost signal.
So that's good, but it's bad. It's good because it means that I went high enough, but it's bad because we have no idea where it is.
We were just driving the same direction the balloon was going before we lost signal.
So we were in the dark for an hour and a half and we had no idea where it was.
Okay, so after an hour and a half of waiting for this thing to turn back on, the signal comes back and apparently it's in Logan.
We thought that it was going to go northwest of Columbus, but instead it went way further south. So when we got the first signal, we found out that it was an hour southeast of Columbus in Logan.
So we just kept driving and finally the point stopped.
When we were driving and looking at the GPS for this weather balloon, we noticed it was getting closer and closer and closer to West Virginia.
You know how we wanted to land in the flatlands of Ohio? Well, it landed in the forest.
It landed in state forests where there are trees, bunches of steep hills, and not where we originally intended, which was flatlands.
Forked run state forest down by the Ohio River.
So we had to climb our way to the balloon, and chances were that it was stuck in a tree.
We got kind of lucky because it landed in a creek and not in a tree.
But we got it, so it's all cool now.
Retrieving it was awesome. I was worried that we wouldn't have found it, but we did.
So I think that it went at least 250 miles and probably about 70,000 feet.
When I look back at the footage today, like a lot of land that I never thought I really would, and as soon as it was at one point in space, I saw the sun, a bunch of dark, and the earth looked like it had a glow around it. And that was actually pretty cool to see.
I think this experiment is just crazy that you can just let go of a balloon and it flies up 60-some thousand feet into space and then it comes down. This was really fun and I enjoyed it a lot. Got to meet some new people, that was fun, and just the whole experience was a blast.
That's all for this episode of ECOTtv. If you didn't catch part 1 of today's episode, visit ECOTtv.com to view all our past episodes. I'm Mia Lowry, thanks for watching.